Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatargardens, and this is episode 8 of Gardening Without Edits. Let me show you something really cool that I noticed this morning, and I get a lot of questions about these two plants. Let me show you right now. Spin it around, and it's about my white sapote trees. I have two of them, the Vernon right over here, and the Suebelle. Now this year they've been doing really great. I've been foliar feeding them with fish and seaweed very frequently the whole year, and you can see that the Suebelle is just pushing out a lot of flowers. Never stopped all year long. The fruit sized up but dropped. Not too sure why. I'm going to research that more, but I have gotten fruit off this tree. It tastes like banana custard, the fruit off this Suebelle. Now the Vernon, let me show you. So as you can see, it's just mostly flowers. Beautiful, beautiful glistening leaves and flowers. Now with the Vernon, this is the tree. You can tell how much taller it is compared to this tree. This tree is way more vigorous and produces a whole bunch. It produced, I think, 25 or more this year, and it's still a small tree. The base is still small, but something really cool I noticed this morning, it's producing new flowers, which you see right here, those little nubs, but it's producing new branches and new leaves everywhere. Now this tree has a consistency, both of them, of pear, avocado, and banana. Not the taste, the consistency. This tree, Vernon, is very sweet, extremely sweet. No acid at all. I like to mix it with lime. I'll put a link to another video in the description right now, or in the video, of a dessert I make with them. But this tree is pushing growth, so if you need a vigorous sapote, I would plant both for cross-pollination. But if you need a vigorous tree and you want a big sapote tree, plant the Vernon. Happy gardening, everyone.